Welcome back, Curriculum Mappers. Today I'd like to demonstrate a concept I've been working on that involves row-level permissions. So I looked further into the file cabinet view app script, and I decided to incorporate something known as a proxy. And what this allows you to do, now I didn't write this, this again is available on the Awesome Tables documentation. But essentially what this does is allow you to display an awesome table based on who is logged in, right? Now I haven't thought of all of the possibilities for this in a curriculum mapping scenario, but I do want to demonstrate the potential for this, and maybe some ideas will come to you as I'm showing you this. So this was merely a copy-paste, and then I deployed this as a web app, and I got this URL, and then in configuring my awesome table, there's a spot for you to plug in a proxy script, an app script URL, and then so that's where you would put this. And again, the main purpose of this is to only display rows of data where a specific user is listed in that row. Okay, so in order for this to be helpful, I needed to first get usernames into the file cabinet view. So what I did was similar to the way that the names of the editors were added to the app script. I was able to get the usernames into the app script and populate the spreadsheet. So as you can see here, this was the code that I got some help from on Google Plus to get the editor names into the spreadsheet. So based on sort of this concept, I applied the same technique here to get the user email addresses of these users. And then to actually populate the spreadsheet, I went down here and put in this little snippet to populate the sheet, giving me a column called users with the email addresses, right? So, and again, the advantage of creating an awesome table view with a proxy is that if I don't want teacher 3 to see something in some particular view, I can exclude that person. So here's an example. I'm logged in as Anderson at gtrainer.richardaanderson.org. So even I, as the owner and maker of this awesome table, am not able to view this awesome table, okay? Right? Because of that permissions feature. However, if teacher 2 takes that exact same URL, so here's, I'm going to highlight this, copy, and as you can see here, I'm logged, well, I guess you can't see right now, but I am logged in as teacher 2. I'll show you in a minute. I'm just going to paste that URL in here. See, it's teacher 2. I get a very different result. So notice that it's not pulling in row 4 here because teacher 2 is not listed there. All right. So, and as permissions change, the awesome table can change automatically. So I could go in here and I could change this to a 2, right? And I'm going to come back here and refresh, and now I'm going to get essentially 2 rows of data. So it would be great if we could brainstorm kind of in this community ways that this sort of dynamic visualization of data could be useful in a curriculum mapping setting. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.